Now to make the poinsettia, I've got some green and I've got some red. I will be starting by putting some green petals, just few, and I don't have to put lots of green in here. I can also put the green after, as I don't know for sure where the petals of the poinsettia will be placed, so maybe it would be a good idea to actually just put the petals after. Then again, good pressure with the V shape of the nozzle on one side. I'm going to start creating 4 petals, and I will be placing those petals into more like a cross shape. Now I had some yellow into the back, so the petals turn up looking quite nice and Christmassy, as they should, with a bit of yellow in the center. And then I'm going to attach 4 more petals in between the ones I've just piped. Okay, and then I will carry on adding little ones. If your nozzle gets dirty, make sure you've got a damp cloth to clean and keep everything nice and tidy. Few short petals in the center. There isn't a particular number of petals you should pipe, just as many as you think they look good. And then with the green, you can pipe the leaves in between on those spots where you think you are missing a little bit of green. Okay, then with the same green, I will take the leaf nozzle away and put a number 2 nozzle and put some little beads in the center, just squeezing and applying a few little touches in the center. That's my little poinsettia.